Ever wondered what happens if you accidentally close your laptop while it's updating? Or, let's be honest, if you just get fed up of waiting and hit that power button? Spoiler alert, it's not good. Hey, but don't worry. I'm here to break it all down for you in plain English so that it's easy to understand. Windows updates are like baking a cake. You can't just pull it out of the oven halfway through and expect it to taste good. Interrupting updates can cause everything from minor glitches to your computer deciding it doesn't even know who you are. And fixing it? Well, that's like trying to bake the cake with the oven door stuck shut. Stay tuned, and I'll show you what happens, what to avoid, and how to recover if disaster strikes. Here's what we'll cover: what your computer tries to do during updates, the consequences of interruptions, how to prevent problems, and what to do if things go sideways. Stick with me, and I promise you'll feel more confident when those dreaded update messages appear. Hey. This is Tony from Why Not Tech Services, where our mission is to empower businesses and individuals to embrace their technology through repair, prevention, and education. We frequently encounter problems that arise when a Windows update is interrupted. So let's explore the reasons why this happens. Windows updates are like sending your computer to school. It's learning how to defend itself from new threats and maybe even get a few cool new tricks. But if you pull it out of class early, well, let's just say it won't be graduating anytime soon. Updates fix security holes, add features, and keep things running smoothly, but only if you let them finish. When you interrupt an update, it's like stopping a puzzle halfway through. Your computer is left wondering, what goes where? Sometimes it works fine. Other times it's like, what's a keyboard? You might see error 0x800 blah blah blah. These messages are about as helpful as a map of a foreign country with no labels. Worse, your computer could fail to boot entirely. That's not ideal. Here's the golden rule: don't turn it off. If you see installing updates, just walk away. Make some tea or coffee. Call a friend. Just let it do its thing. Some other tips: keep your laptop plugged in. If the battery dies mid-update, that's a disaster. And schedule your updates for a time when you won't need to use your computer. Windows even lets you schedule these in advance. Pick a time and a day. I'll show you how. If you're watching this because it's too late and you've already interrupted an update, don't panic. Here's what to try. First, restart your computer. Sometimes it just needs a second chance. If it won't restart, use Windows Automatic Repair Tool. Worst case scenario, call your tech-savvy grandkid or someone like me. Remember, even if it seems bad, there's almost always a way to fix it. So the next time Windows says, do not turn off your computer, trust it. Updates might be annoying, but they're like broccoli. They're good for you in the long run. If you have more questions about your computer, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who always interrupts their updates. You know who they are.